a wide split right there.
We need to.
One more, guys. Go again.
No, only in the beginning.
And background. Action. Cut. Cutting.
We cut.
Good?
Yes.
Happy? You don't want it much time for a while.
What are we gonna do here?
It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
If it doesn't have that, it's going to fail. And that's the difference between us and everybody else. Don't compromise. John. You and I are partners. We are in this together, and we can fix it. I know we can. And you just give me a call back, that'd be great. You told me to build it, and I built it. I built it! You gotta have a problem that you want to solve. A wrong that you want to right. It has to be something that you're passionate about. Because otherwise you won't have the perseverance to see it through. You just won't. And we're gonna have to make some hard decisions on that. We're gonna have to say no to things that we want to say yes to.
And set.
It's the hard decisions that are going to make all the difference.
It's very well. It's not long. It's short. It's really skinny. That's right. Oh yeah. You like when you have Play-Doh and make the snake thing? Oh, some people think it's.
And we're going to have to make a lot of hard decisions, product decisions, to simplify. It's going to be the hard decisions that make all the difference. And one more. No bozos.
And
Quiet, please. We're rolling.
quiet. And action.
You got to have a problem that makes sense. Or wrong you want to right. And it's got to be something that you're passionate about. The entire information age was George Orwell right?
Our company's best interest. I brought you in here. Sense of revolution.
It's huge.
Here's the dopey idea. What if we put the speakers inside the box?
And then
Not even about it's about in that way, then you can say I think the blues up.
there's no sex left in computers. No calves. The world may see computers as only in black and white, but you know, we paint, we dream, and we live in color.
No matter what.
What do you think?
Johnny, I want you to always be open and honest with me.
Our shares dropped 7.5% overnight. It's the lowest it's been in 10 years.
Steve. Hey. You meet our chairman? You meet our chairman, Ed Woolard.